Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana. So today AliPearl Hair was able to send me over a wig unit. So they sent me over their natural wave hair texture. It's also in 250% density, and I also have mine in 26 inches. So this is also a 6x6 lace closure HD lace wig unit. I love these wigs with the closures, the big closures, because they're super easy for me to put on, you guys, and just get up and go. Also, this is the natural wave hair texture. However, I do feel like it is a little bit more curlier than most natural wave textures, but I actually do like how the curls came out. Like, I'm not mad at the curls. The curls are actually really pretty, and I hope you guys are able to see the textures. Or the closure seems a little bit more curlier than the bundles, but I really just don't feel like it looks bad, you guys, at all. I actually feel like it looks really good together, and I don't see it being like a problem. So if you do feel like you don't like it, you can probably pull out your curls a little bit more. However, I did use a little bit more product at the top than throughout the bundles. So let's begin. I'm gonna put my stocking cap on. And the reason why I put these stocking caps on, y'all, is because when you put the wig on, oh my god, I look like a swimmer. When you put the wig on, sometimes it get caught to your hair, like the hooks and stuff and the combs and stuff while you're putting the wig on. So it's also a barrier so my hair doesn't get it, you know, stuck to the clips and stuff, because it's annoying. And when it's hooked on there, it's so annoying to get off. So I put these on, and I also put these on to basically move my hair out the way, my hairline out the way for the glue that I'm going to be using, or, you know, whatever I'm going to be using. Today's video is sponsored by AliPearl's hair. I have reviewed for this hair company a couple of times before, you guys. So this is the hair packaging. I haven't opened it yet. So today we're going to be doing like a straight out the box review, because this is a 6x6 closure wig unit. So yeah, so your wig will come in this baggie here. And at the bottom it says 6x6, and this is a 26-inch wig. So it's also a 250% density as well. In your packaging, you will get quite a bit of stuff. So I have an edge brush. Thank you for this AliPearl, because I love these things. The ones that I have, they're dirty, so I'll be using this one today in my video. And this one's a different color. This one's light blue. They gave me a satin edge wrap. I might use this today as well. Oh, they gave me a stocking cap. Why is it so bright today? Stocking cap. Additional elastic band, which I never use in the pre-made wigs. And they also gave me a stock card. And on the back here is just how to wash your wigs, how to clean them, hair care, how to comb and dry your wigs. So please make sure that you are paying attention to all of the things on the stock card. And of course they gave me a baggie to put my wig in. Take it out the net. Hair always comes in a net. Whoop. Actually, I really like this texture. So this is a 250% density HD lace wig, you guys. So 6x6 closure. As you guys can see, you get a lot of parting space. You get the clips back here so that you can like tighten your wig and things like that. And you also get two combs right here, which I never use. So I also have this in my package, I mean in my wig, the clip, so you can get the I don't have that in my package. I don't see that. Yeah, I don't have that. So it does come with the additional, like the bra strap looking clips. That's what I call them. Y'all be laughing at me when I say that, but that's what it looks like. Look, but I don't have the, it didn't come with it. She's back. It only took like 2 seconds because I found one in my stash. So I'm just going to use this one and clip it in, but maybe I need to put it on first so I can see how it's fitting without the adjustables. Okay, let's see. actually fits. I need to make sure it fits because when they be making these wigs like your ear, you can see like your ear isn't really relaxed. So it's like so weird sometimes. Like, what y'all doing? So, oh, I think that's how it's supposed to fit. Okay, yeah. From the looks of it, actually look like it's a pretty good density in the front. You see that? Like, this looks really good. So I don't think I need to plug at all, which is really good. Like, at all. Yeah, I'm not gonna plug it. So this is definitely gonna be a straight out the box install, you guys. All you need to do is put your foundation up under your lace, and I highly recommend for you guys to use the foundation that you use on your face. Boom. So yeah, AliPearl, you guys did not put this in my package. So, but I like these anyway. I'd rather this right here instead of the ones that come actually in the wig. I don't know, some weird shit. So I'm about to put my wig on. Settled in the bag so it fits perfectly actually. Okay, so you guys, this install is going to be super quick, so I'm about to come in a little closer so you guys can see the closure and how I'm about to do this. So I am going to cut this off at an angle because this white piece here just bothers me, so I just cut this off. Off. Actually, I'm about to pluck this, just the hairline, like literally just the front row. Waiting for you, like I always do. I'm waiting to win, but I always lose. I'm going to be using my spray because I feel like using spray today. So that's what I'm going to use. If you guys want to purchase this, everything that I'm using today will be linked down below in my Amazon store. It right where I put the glue. Make sure I get my comb and take a small comb and press it down. I'm about to go ahead and part my hair because obviously it's going to be a middle part for me today. This is the parting. so that y'all could see. And I'm gonna fix the hairline in a minute. So I just needed to make sure. I'm using the Got To Be today. The Got To Be is what I'm going to be using today. Take some baby hairs. So you guys, I am actually really loving the curls. I'm going to come back when it's like, you know, dry so I can fluff it out. I'm actually already kind of fluffing it out now. But I love the, ooh, look at these curls. I'm about to get these ends, hold on. Let me get the ends. Oh, there's the front. It's kind of hard to get the back. Some of this on it as well. So the curls can form in the back. Okay, so this is the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and do my little fluffing out that I do, okay? Because I kind of want it to be a little bigger. First of all, this curl pattern is bomb. Like, look how like luscious it is. Like, I love this. And this is a natural wave hair texture. The closure, you guys, really love the closure. I did not go and bleach the knots on this because, again, I wanted it to be a straight out of the box tutorial for you guys, so that you guys, you know, wouldn't be intimidated by doing all the extra work. So I was like, let me just go ahead and do a straight out of the box packaging. So the hair is extremely long, you guys. This is a 26-inch. I'm trying to stay on my tippy toes so you guys could see. This is all the fluffing that I'm going to be doing. And yeah, so I think I might put a little bit of oil on it. I've been using this on like my real hair and my weaves, so I'm put just a little bit. The neck area, it smells really good too, you guys. I got the wrong bracelet on today. The wrong bracelet. Make sure you get the ends. Like, I really love this curl pattern. The closure is really bomb as well.